Hello to Smart Mamas community, all respected members and followers on board. Here Team Smart Mamas brings lots of online activities every day for all 30 days on this board. So I would like to introduce my activity as a Team Smart Mamas. Rupal Shah will be presenting her activity on every Saturday. Yes, weekly once on every Saturday I will be coming up with an online activity. First Saturday it will be a video talk by me on WhatsApp and community etiquettes. Second Saturday it will be an article on family development, on parenting for toddlers, kids, teenagers, preteens. Articles can be related to on women development, family development, or related to home life and office life. Third Saturday, I will be coming up with the MCM's inputs. What we are coming up in MCM, that I will be giving you an overview. And fourth Saturday, I will be helping you all registered members with the services by Smart Mamas. You will be connected on weekly basis. What are the benefits and how to use the services of Smart Mamas. So let's start for this first Saturday by Team Smart Mamas. Rupal M. Shah, leader, mentor under the Team Smart Mamas. So I here go with the first Saturday, that is WhatsApp and community etiquettes. The purpose of bringing these many activities by Team Smart Mamas for you all on board is, and reason is to keep you all community followers, respect members, associates and connections to be connected with the purpose of the forming this community. Yes friends, we all Team Smart Mamas want to keep you connected with the purpose forming of Smart Mamas community. So here we will be helping you all with everyday activity by Team Smart Mamas. So I start my activity on this first Saturday, that is WhatsApp etiquettes. Here I would like to give some inputs related to WhatsApp etiquettes, being connected with the different communities. Yes. Friends, I would like to tell you about the thing why you are connected, for what you are connected and what you have to do by being connected with any WhatsApp group of any organization. It can be any organization and it can be any category. So friends, every organization or a community has a WhatsApp group and they come up with the WhatsApp group with a purpose. Yes, I am going to share the purpose of being connected with any WhatsApp group for any organization. So, tips for the WhatsApp etiquettes topic purpose is: first, please before joining any WhatsApp group of any organization, know the purpose why the organization is formed. Second tip is, go through the info of the WhatsApp group, the organization you are connected with. understand the info. There you will be finding the purpose of the forming that particular WhatsApp group. Third thing is kindly follow the rules, protocols and activities what need to be done in that particular group without disturbing the purpose of the WhatsApp group. So here friends, I would like to end the WhatsApp etiquette, the topic purpose of any organization you are connected with on WhatsApp, or it can be on Facebook group also. So whatever the group it is, whether it is a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group,